guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a clog unpacking for you guys, and we've got the CROCS Classic Clog in lavender. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at another pair of the classic clogs from CROCS. We got this in the lavender colorway. We've got this in a UK size. So it's 5, European 38 to 39, and it's US 6. So if you are new to our channel, you're going to know that we've got tons of CROCS content for you guys. We here at Oneupreviewz love a pair of CROCS. The guys behind the scenes, Jeff and Chris, they own pairs of CROCS. I myself, I've got plenty of CROCS as well. I've done tons of the collaborations, so check those out with Slave Embry. But today we've got a look at just another pair of the normal ones. And we got these in the lavender colorway. And here it is, unboxed for you. So for those that don't know, CROCS are a brand based in Colorado, and the aim was to make a waterproof boat shoe. And the inventors, I totally forgot the name, the founders came up with an open system to get airflow in these clogs. Very lightweight, very comfortable, you have to say my word. And I know loads of people are off of CROCS. They don't seem to like the design, they don't want them to be seen in them. However, you get past that stigma. You try them on for the first time and they're so comfortable. So I don't know what you're doing to your feet. People that hate CROCS, fair play, you're entitled to your own opinion, but if you want comfort, and if you know you're going to be on your feet for a huge majority of your day, get a pair of CROCS. You're doing your feet a disservice, in all honesty. And if anyone from CROCS is listening, and we know that you are, listen, we're open to get another pair of CROCS here at Oneupreviewz. There's 3 of us. We'll give you all that details, we'll give you all that details. But that's not why you guys are here. You guys are here to watch a review. So we're going into all the little details that you need to know about CROCS clogs, the classic ones. So we'll start with the outsole. So again, like all classic clogs from CROCS, essentially it is made out of one material. It's an EVA, or what they from CROCS like to call it, I think it's CROCS Light or CROCS Foam. Either way, it's their rendition of an EVA foam. And you can see here at the outsole, it's made out of foam. You've got your sizing in the middle. You've got this traction patterning to get your feet there sturdy, gripped onto the floor. Moving on onto essentially the midsole and the upper unit, and as I mentioned before, it is all one unit. Very easy access for your feet to put in, pop your feet in, put it in sport mode, and you're running. Tons of airflow there for your feet. You can see in the forefoot, right there in the sides as well. If you look at from the lateral and the medial side, you can see more airflow holes in your feet. You look in the inner, so again it is still the CROCS Light, CROCS Foam, but you can see orthopedic beads. It's there just to make it more comfortable. The strap again is adjustable, so you can put it on if you want to keep your feet in, or here if you're just really casual, really lazy day. And you got the CROCS logo, and you've got a CROCS icon here for you. So that rounds up my review. Very comfortable. I don't need to try these on because these aren't my size. If you're worried about sizing, or you want to know about sizing, you have to get what you usually wear for your footwear. So for example, I'm a UK size 8 when it comes to CROCS. These are perfect. This is a UK size 5, so it's going to be very too small for me. Again, we were lending a pair, so big shout out to the lenders, you know who you are. And that wraps up my review. I'm going to sign off. Again, if someone from Crocs is watching, and we know that you are, keep up the great work. And you know, there's 3 of us here at Oneupreviewz with like a pair again. Sizing, again, just get what you usually wear. You won't hate it, trust me. I know you guys on the fence. Just come over to the dark side. It's not really the dark side, it's the comfortable side. So come over to the comfortable side. Get a pair of Crocs. That's me rounding off. We'll show you some B-roll footage, but I'm going to sign off for you right now. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. All that good stuff. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, guys. Thank you and peace.